tired of the same old boring snacks? Do you crave something flavorful and exciting to keep your healthy habits on track? Well, ditch the chips and salsa, or at least the store-bought kind, because today we're unleashing your inner dipper. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nourish Wellspring. We are here to show you how to transform your snacking experience with a dozen delicious and healthy dipping sauces. In this video, you'll learn how to create a variety of dips that are not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with good-for-you ingredients. We'll explore creamy dips, party dips, light and fresh options, and even a couple of sweet treats for satisfying those occasional cravings. So, whether you're looking for a satisfying afternoon pick-me-up or a fun addition to your next party platter, we've got you covered. Let's get dipping. Part 1. The Dip Dive. Alright, dip enthusiasts. Let's dive into why homemade dips are the ultimate healthy snacking secret weapon. First off, who even knows what's lurking in those store-bought tubs? Hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and enough sodium to make your taste buds cry out for mercy. Not on our watch. When you make your own dips, you're in complete control. We're talking fresh ingredients, healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, and just the right amount of seasoning to create flavor explosions in your mouth. Plus, homemade dips are incredibly versatile. Want to add some pizzazz to your veggie platter? Dip it. Craving a protein boost with whole wheat crackers? Dip it. Feeling a touch peckish for something sweet? Believe it or not, there are healthy dips for that too. And let's not forget the fun factor. Homemade dips are perfect for creating a fun and interactive snacking experience. Gather your friends and family, whip up a variety of dips, and turn healthy snacking into a social celebration. So ditch the store-bought stuff and get ready to unleash your inner dipper with the power of homemade dips. Part 2. A dozen delicious dips? Alright, dip lovers, buckle up because we're about to embark on a flavor adventure with a dozen delicious and healthy dipping sauce ideas. First up, we have the classics with a healthy twist. Our classic Greek yogurt dip is a versatile base you can customize with fresh herbs, spices, or even chopped vegetables for a chunky texture. Perfect for dipping crudité, pita bread, or even using as a spread for sandwiches. Craving something with a Latin flair? Look no further than our guacamole with a twist. We're taking classic guacamole up a notch with the addition of roasted garlic for a deeper flavor profile. Feeling spicy? Our black bean and corn salsa packs a punch with a touch of heat. Enjoy it with tortilla chips or use it to add a flavorful topping to your tacos. Looking for a nut-based option? Our creamy cashew dip is not only delicious but also vegan-friendly. Perfect for dipping vegetables or whole wheat crackers for a satisfying snack. Now let's move on to our hearty dips. We have our ever-popular hummus remix. In a variety of flavors, like roasted red pepper hummus or white bean hummus with sun-dried tomatoes. These protein-packed dips are perfect with pita bread or crudité for a satisfying lunch or afternoon pick-me-up. Need a dip with a protein punch? Our edamame dip with a kick is packed with protein and has a touch of sriracha for a spicy kick. Enjoy it with whole wheat crackers or even use it as a veggie spread. Craving something hearty and flavorful? Our lentil dip with toasted pita is a winner. This dip is not only delicious, but also provides a good source of fiber. Now let's lighten things up with some refreshing options. Our cucumber mint yogurt dip is perfect for those summer days. This light and flavorful dip is ideal for dipping vegetables or even using as a salad dressing. Looking for a tangy twist? Our tangy citrus vinaigrette is a healthy and flavorful dressing for dipping vegetables or salad greens. This light dressing is a perfect way to add a burst of flavor to your healthy meals. Part 3. Dipping inspiration and presentation. Now that you have this arsenal of delicious and healthy dips at your fingertips, let's explore some creative ways to use them and turn snacking into a fun and flavorful experience. First up, themed veggie platters. Combine a variety of colorful vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, sugar snap peas, and broccoli florets. Then, choose a selection of dips that complement the veggies. For example, pair roasted red pepper hummus with red bell peppers, or a cool and refreshing cucumber mint yogurt dip with broccoli florets. Don't forget, dips can be used as spreads for wraps or sandwiches. 2. Pack your whole wheat wrap with your favorite veggies, spread some lentil dip or creamy cashew dip for added flavor, and roll it up for a delicious and portable snack. And for those times when you have a sweet tooth, dips can come to the rescue as well. Serve sliced apples, pears, or berries with a dollop of honey yogurt fruit dip for a healthy and satisfying sweet treat. See how easy it is to transform healthy snacks into something fun and visually appealing with the help of these delicious dips. With a variety of flavors and textures to choose from, the possibilities are endless. So, unleash your inner dipper and get creative with your healthy snacking. Well, there you have it, dip enthusiasts. We've explored a dozen delicious and healthy dipping sauce ideas, from creamy classics to light and refreshing options, and even a couple of sweet treats to satisfy those cravings. As you saw, dips offer endless possibilities to transform healthy snacks into a flavorful and fun experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Maybe you love the creaminess of Greek yogurt but crave a spicy kick? Add a dash of sriracha or chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. The possibilities are truly endless when you create your own signature dips. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious dip dive. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nourish Wellspring for more healthy recipe ideas, tips, and tricks. And remember, healthy snacking can be fun and flavorful. Happy dipping!